So if you want people to be obsessed with you, to admire you, to give you princess treatment, to give you gifts, and you want all the things, you want the love, you want the care, you want the admiration, you want princess treatment, then you have to learn how to make other people obsessed with you. So people treat you the way you treat yourself. If you give yourself princess treatment, then naturally people will give you princess treatment. But if you give yourself nothing, then people will give you nothing. But if you love yourself, people will give you love. If you give yourself some gifts, people will give yourself some gifts. If you take care of yourself, then naturally people will take care of yourself. If you are obsessed with yourself, then other people are also obsessed with yourself. This is how the world is, because the world is a mirror. How you send the energy is going to reflect back to you. When you are obsessed with yourself, people are naturally become obsessed with you, because you vibrate so beautiful energy and you're vibrating at the higher vibration, and you become so attractive and beautiful that people can't help but become obsessed with you. So the thing is, you cannot attract high vibrating people when you are vibrating low. So first thing is become obsessed with yourself in order to attract these high vibrating people to become obsessed with you. People admire in other people what they do not have. People lack self-love, people lack confidence, people lack self-love, people lack the confidence. But if you are confident, if you are have self-love, if you are so confident and you give yourself love, you give yourself happiness, then people will naturally admire you and look at you and be like, oh my god, I wish I was them, I wish I have a life like you. So it is very important to give yourself everything and to stop worrying about the things that you don't have. So find something that makes you happy to get up in the morning. It can be anything. It can be sports, it can be gym, it can be making videos, it can be your favorite hobby like painting or anything that you love, or going out and have some more. Find something and do this every day, and when you do this every day and when this is your favorite thing, you will love to get up in the morning, you will love to go out and enjoy your life, you will love your life, and it helps you to get up in the morning. So find something that excites you and that make you happy to get up in the morning. So another thing is get a clear vision of your higher self or your dream self. What does she do? Does she go to the gym? Does she eat unhealthy, or does she do this activity? Does she make content? Does she care about people or not, or does she don't care about other people or anything? And once you have clear vision in your mind, then behave like that, behave like your ideal self, behave like your higher self, behave like your dream self, and then you will realize that, oh my god, I was waiting for a fairy tale to come, I was waiting for people to become obsessed with me. And once I realized what my higher self is, what my dream self is, and once I start acting like it, my whole life will change. I am loving my life. So the love that you're looking from other people, the love that you want other people to give you, was already in you. And stop finding the love of your life, because you are your love of your life. You are the love of your life. And once you realize this, once you fall in love with your life, once you fall in love with your beauty, once you fall in love with your body and your life, then you realize that the happiness that you're looking for other people to give you, the love, the everything that you want other people to give you, is already in you, and you are the love of your life. No one can have the power of becoming the love of your life, because you are the love of your life. So if you want people to obsess with you, right? So the thing is that cut off all the people's, cut off those toxic friends that that say bad things about you, that make you feel like this is small, and that talks bad about you and always saying bad things about you. Because when you're living with that people, when you're living with that friends, then you're becoming toxic with yourself. And when you cut off these peoples, you will realize that how beautiful you are, that how amazing you are. You are the love of your life, and anyone cannot have the power over you to tell you that you're ugly, to tell you that you're not enough, to tell you that you're not the love of your life, and to make you feel this is small. So cut off all the people, cut off all the toxic people that drains your energy and they make you feel like this is small. So a healthy mind is very important to make people obsessed with you. I mean, make yourself obsessed. Like, so a healthy mind. So how you can achieve healthy mind? You can achieve healthy mind by journaling, by doing exercise, by doing your favorite yoga, your favorite meditation, and I recommend you to sit at least 10 minutes alone and let your thoughts come into your mind, and you'll see how gorgeous your thoughts are. Your thoughts, not the world thoughts. So meditate or exercise, journaling can help you have a better and great mind. Another thing is do not listen to people, because these people does not have valid opinion about you. They always criticize you and tolerate you. So do not listen to people. What you love to do that, and don't listen to the people, because if you listen to yourself, people will naturally admire you and think, oh my god, I say to her that don't do this, don't do this, and she does this, and she is successful in that thing. I should go to her and ask her how can she becomes so successful, how she love herself, and how she becomes so beautiful. So don't try to impress anyone. Try to impress yourself, and the things that meant for you will already align with you. So what does that mean? I know that you don't know. This is mean that when you go out, you try to impress others, you try to impress your friend, you try to impress your parents, you try to impress your anyone, impress your man. So don't do this, don't do this. Try to impress yourself, try to look good for yourself, not other people. And when you do effort for yourself and not for other, people will naturally become obsessed with you, because they cannot do that for themselves. They lack self-love and they lack confidence in themselves. So it is very important to not impress other people, because if you love yourself, if you love your company, if you enjoy your company, people will also enjoy your company and love yourself. So don't try to impress anyone. Another thing, and it is my favorite, is listening to affirmations, because affirmations reprogram your mind, reprogram your subconscious mind, and it makes you more and more happy and beautiful. You can listen to subliminals, you can listen to affirmation meditation, or you can also look in the mirror and say beautiful affirmation to yourself. You can do anything that you want, but listening to affirmations, listening to subliminals, listening to calming music will help you to become more and more obsessed with yourself, obsessed with your higher self, obsessed with your current self, and to become more beautiful. So I know that this video helped you a lot, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.